In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear exterior door handle on your Ford Expedition. The process for both sides is the same. Using a small pick, we're going to go behind the door handle, and there's a little door. We're going to remove that. Behind the cap, there will be a 7mm screw. Remove that. There's a little door in the bottom of this compartment. We're going to get under it with a little pick and pull it up, and there will be two 7mm screws in there. I'm going to remove those. On the outside edge of the door panel, there's going to be a little hole. Inside of there, there will be a Phillips head screw. Remove that. On the bottom of the door, there's two cutouts inside of the panel. We're going to remove the 7mm screws out of those pockets. Using a plastic trim tool, we're going to remove the trim piece around the door handle. Lift straight up on the door panel. On the bottom of the window switch, you'll find a connector. This has a push button right on the top. Push down on that and remove the connector, and then put the door panel somewhere safe. Starting in the corner, we're going to pull down the vapor barrier on the door. We're going to pull it far enough that we have access into the back of this panel, into the space where our door handle is located. When we're working inside of the door, we're going to be accessing it by reaching our arm in here. And the other way I will be accessing it is with a long pick through this little hole up towards the green bracket. Using a small pick, we're going to reach inside of the door and grab the back of this green latch. We're going to open that up. Once that's open, we're going to pull that pole forward and out of the stay. On each side of the handle, there's going to be a post with an 11mm nut on it. Using a 1/4 inch ratchet, we're going to loosen, remove the nut, do the same thing on the other side. And remove the nut. With the two nuts off, we're going to pull the handle out. To remove it, pull the handle, and that will leverage this back, and it will allow you to pull it out of the door. Before installing the door handle, it's a good idea to open this door, pull the handle, and insert the door handle into the door. On the inside, install the nut. Get the nut started on both sides. Snug the nuts down. While doing these nuts, be very patient. It is a very tight spot. We're going to grab the pole, position it into the stay. Then we're going to close the door. Make sure it locks into place. We're going to pull our plastic back over and stick it back to the door. If your plastic barrier is not sticking to the door, you can get extra butyl tape and use the new tape to stick it to the door. Connect the connector for the window switch. We're going to lift our door panel up, get our door lock through the hole in the door. And we're going to drop the panel onto the door. Install the Phillips head screw in the side of the door. Install the 7mm screws into the door pocket. Snug them down. Close the little door. It'll snap into place. We're going to install the door handle trim. Lift the door handle up slightly, slide the panel in, and click it into place. The screw that goes behind here is going to be the longest one that you took out. Snug it down. The little door, there's one big side and one little. The little side goes on the right. The left side will hinge inside of the piece and it'll lock into place. Install the 2 bottom screws. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.